Well, I'm here today. I'm doing a rap. Hope you enjoy it. It's about my life and things I've done. Yo, I'm coming back. I'm living with my mum. She's the only one who's done. Just listen. You realise. Yo, I'm thinking about my life. I'm thinking about feeling the same pain. I look back. I can't believe that. See the wall. It's the only future. Darkest past, but you never gonna see me. I can't believe that. I think I'm just a new MC. I went to double LC, West London College. I'm doing my course. I'm studying every day. I can't believe that I'm not buzzing in. See my mates, they're the only one that's gonna get me that buzzing in. I said no, I can't believe that I'm dragging in. I got into the wrong crowd when I was young, cause I tell you what, I used to beat my mum. I'm thinking like, what the hell did I do that for? Cause I tell you what, I'm just a fat boy. I'm not a fat boy, but I'm walking down the street, that's where I get called every single day. Since I was bullied, I can't believe that you're never gonna see that. I'm just so stupid. I lost all my mates, like John and all that. He's the only one, he's been there for me. Since I went to the Bridge Academy, the AP. Come on, please come back. I want you just to save me, John. I don't wanna lose you, you're my best mate. I tell you what, this is true, but you're never gonna see me hate you. It might be a homo, what I'm about to say. Them 3 words are the only through my own pain. I love you, John, you're like a brother to me. I can't believe that. I just want you to see me. I want to see you in the future. You're gonna be that, you're gonna be a moped driver. But listen to this one. I was sitting down, I was underneath the underground trying to make money. Then I think that I'm not even a honey bunny. I'm just looking at, see my eyes, see these pretty girls. They say that I'm alive, they love my eyes. I can't believe that, like Chelsea Schooley. She's the one, she's the best, she's in my heart for day one. Then you're never gonna see me, I'm coming back, but I can't believe that you're never gonna be a BG. I want you to be my G3, I want you that for me to be my G3. You're my girlfriend, Chelsea. I can't believe that you're never gonna see that. I always say to you, will you go at me? You say no, cause I'm like, why do you? It's the age difference. Please, Chelsea, I love you. You've got the beautiful eyes that look at me to say that you like me, you love me, you hate me, you want me, you kiss me, you want this, but what you want, Shane. This is what I always say. It's 2 different things. Come back. I want you to love me, baby, please. I'm praying for you every night. I'm praying for you since that day. I will die for you. I will do anything for you. These bars are just true. Come, Chelsea, please. I want you to love me too. Thank you for listening.